Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we are just going to be start our new topic that is about polynomials. So anyone have an idea that what is polynomial? Anyone? Yes, Mustafa?
Sir, is it related to polygons?
No, no, no. It's
Isn't it
algebra.
basically just an equation with multiple numbers instead of just one? Something like that.
Yes. Yes, Ishal, you have any idea what is polynomial?
I think it's an expression with multiple terms.
Yes, it is an expression with the multiple terms. Okay, like you have an expression, you have 4x square plus 3x plus 5. So this is an expression, it is polynomial. It is an expression, but all the expressions are not polynomials. Okay. For the polynomial, in short, polynomial is an expression in which power of variable is positive integer. All right. For example, if I'm going to be write an expression, you have 4 square root of x plus 3. Yes, it is polynomial. Yes, anyone? It is polynomial.
I think it isn't
It is not a polynomial.
because is it supposed to be more than three? Like it's something like that.
No, no.
Or
It
oh,
is
sorry,
not a
third.
polynomial because if you have to write into the index form, what you will get x raised to power 1 by
Two.
3. And in the definition, I told you the power will be must be a positive integer. Integer means plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. It is 1 by 2. So obviously it is 1 by 2. This means that it is not a, it is algebraic expression, but it is not a polynomial. For the polynomial, the power of the variable is must be a positive integer. For example, let's take another example. You have 4 3x cube plus 5x plus 7 over x plus 3. Yes, anyone? It is a polynomial or not?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Simal?
Um, no. I think
Okay. Yes, Ishal?
Yes.
Okay. Look at here, it is that which power of the variable is a positive integer. Okay. So for the positive integer, first of all, we have to rewrite the variable into the numerator. So you will get x raised to power minus 1 plus 3. Now tell me, it is polynomial?
Yes.
Huh? We have to say that the power of the variable is positive integer. And in this part, you will get a negative 1. So is it polynomial?
No.
No.
So it is a not a polynomial. So obviously you need to, sometimes we need to be right into the format. So it is not a polynomial. Here it is not a polynomial because the power is not integer. Here it is not a polynomial because it is negative integer. We are talking about positive integer. In the same way, rest of all the values that you have to be right. 9x square plus 49y square. So look at here, in which you have two variables, but in both variables you have a positive, the power is going to be positive integer. So this means that it is a polynomial. Yes. Anyone have a question that what does it mean by the polynomials? Anyone?
No.
Sir,
Yes,
yes,
Ishal.
I do.
Yes, Emil.
I wanted to ask if it's polynomial, like, does it mean more than three, or like, can
No,
it be
it
just
can
more than
be
five?
any power, x raised to power 10,000, x raised to power 2,000, any value, but must be a positive integer.
Okay,
But obviously, we will talk about till raised to power 4, but it can be any power, but must be a positive integer.
right, okay.
All right. Yes, Ishal, you have any question?
No.
Okay, till here we just have to understand that what is polynomial. Okay, in P1, it is going to be very easy two things that we need to be do that you already done in your IGCSE. We are just revising it here, and the hardness of the question is going to be a little bit more. That is expansion, and the second thing is factorization. These are the two things. The expansion means you are writing the something into the sum and difference form. Factorizing means you are writing something into the product form. For we have always you are going to be writing the expression into two different formats. The first one that is known as expanded form, and the second one is known as factor form. Expanded form means write in the form of sum or difference. Like you have to write the 4x squared plus 8. So look at here, we have two terms they are adding. In the same way, let's say you have 4x squared minus 9. You have two terms they are subtracting. So it can be more than two terms. So if the term is going to be writing like this in this format, like we have to write all the terms. So all of these things are going to be into the expanded form. If we are going to be take these values, in this value we can take 4 as a comma, you will get x square plus 4 times 2 is 8. And if I'm going to use the identity, it can be written as 2x whole square minus 3 square. So that will be, you have to use identity a plus b, a minus b. Remember? Yes, everyone, or will you remember this identity?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes, Simal, Ishal.
Yes.
No, I don't
Okay.
remember that.
We have the identity that if you have a first term square minus second term square, a square minus b square,
Oh,
we can write it as a plus b times a minus b. So I just write it into the format a square minus b square. So that will be a plus b
right,
into a minus b. All right. So means you have to write that something into the product form, means into the form of multiplication. So that form is known as factor form. Anyone have a question? What does it mean by the expanded form or factor form?
no,
No,
sir.
sir.
All right. Now, to convert from expanded form to the factor form, that is known as factorization. And to convert the values from factor form to the expanded form, this is known as expansion. It is known as factorization and it is known as expansion. Yes, everyone. Any question? What is expansion? What is factorization? What is expanded form? And what is factor form?
No, sir.
Okay, in our complete polynomials, it is going to be very easy. In P2, we have to do some more things. We are doing the factorization of the raised to power 3, but in P1, we are just going to be do a very simple. expansion and factorization. So we have to do some questions of the expansion. It is going to be really easy. You already done in your IGCSE. It's just a recall here. All right, now we have three questions here. We have expand and simplify 2x plus 3 into x minus 4. Yes, Mustafa, can you please tell me how to expand it?
We first multiply each term in the first bracket with each term in the second bracket. So we will start with
Yes,
2x. So we multiply 2x times x minus 4. And then we multiply 3 with x minus 4. And then
yes,
after you get the expanded, you have to simplify it by adding and subtracting.
yes. We are multiplying 2x with the next whole term, 3 with the next whole term. We get it. Now 2x multiplied by x will be 2x square. 2x multiplied by 4 will be minus 8x. 3 multiplied by x will be 3x. And 3 multiplied by 4 will be minus 12. Now in all of this is the same kind, so we can add or subtract the values. So we'll get that minus 8 plus 8 will be minus 5x plus, sorry, minus 12. Yes, Zimal Ishal, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now we have the second one. In the second term, we have three numbers that we need to be multiplied. Okay. We have 2p multiplied by p plus 3 into p minus 2. Yes, Zimal, how will multiply?
You're basically gonna do 2p multiplied by the first bracket, and
Yes.
then
So,
when you're done with that, you're just gonna multiply that new equation that you have with the second bracket, and then add the similar terms, and then that's it.
yes. First of all, we are going to be multiply the outside bracket. You have to multiply any two. For example, it is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 4. So it's up to you. You will multiply 2 multiplied by 3, that will be 6, or 6 multiplied by 4 will be 24. You can do it by this way. 4 multiplied by 3 will be 12. 12 multiplied by 2 will be 24. Or you can do it by 2 times 4 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So it's up to you. You can multiply any two brackets first. So I'm just make a bracket over here. So 2p multiplied by p, that will be 2p square. 2p multiplied by 3, it will be 6p. P minus 2 as it is. Now we have two brackets, they are multiplying. So we have 2p square times p minus 2 and 6p times p minus 2. So 2p square multiplied by p, it will be 2p raised to power 3. 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4p square plus 6p multiplied by p will be 6p square. 6 multiplied by 2, it will be minus 12p. Yes, everyone. Any question?
No, sir.
Nope.
Now in the last, we have 2p cube 6p square minus 4p here, it will be plus 2p square minus 12p. That would be my final answer. Now let's do the last part. We have y minus 1 into y minus 2 whole square. Yes, Ishal. Can you please tell me what would be the first step?
You'd write y minus 2 squared is the same as y minus 2 times y minus 2.
Yes.
And then you'd expand them or use a full method.
All right. You have to multiply any two values. You can also use the identity here as well, that a plus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square, but you have to expand it. So just multiply any two brackets. I'm just multiplying these two ones. So I'm going to get y multiplied by y minus 2 minus 2 times y multiplied by minus 2 bracket close. I'm going to be get y minus 1 into y square minus 2y minus 2y minus 10 minus s plus it will be 4. So I'm getting y minus 1 into y square. Yes, minus 2 minus 2y, that will be, yes, Ishan,
Pardon?
minus
Oh,
2y
minus
minus
2
2y.
2. That would give you 0.
No, -2, -2.
Oh, minus 2
If you have the
minus
same sign, yeah, you have to add the values, the sign of the bigger term. So it is -4y. 2 plus 2, that will be 4. Always remember, if you have same sign, you will add the values and write the sign of the bigger value. Like you have -3, -4, you will add them, it will be -7. If you have a different sign, you always subtract them. Let's say you have -4 plus 3, you have to subtract the values. 4 minus 3, it will be 1, and put the sign of the bigger value. The bigger value is minus, so it will be -1. And for example, it is +4 and -3, so it will be +1. So always remember, if you have same sign, add the values, different sign, subtract the values, and put the sign of the bigger one. Now we will multiply the brackets. We have y times y square minus 4y plus 4. We have to take the first value, multiply with the next whole term. Now we have -1, multiply with the next whole value, that will be y square minus 4y plus 4. Now open the brackets. Y multiplied by y square will be y cube. Y multiplied by -4y, it will be -4y square. Y multiplied by 4, it will be +4y. -1 multiplied by y square will be -y square. -1 multiplied by 4y will be +4y. -1 multiplied by 4 will be -4. Yes. Anyone have a question till here?
Yes, sir. I wanted to ask, instead of doing the first three steps, could I just mention the identity and then just skip all of that and just move on to the fourth step?
Yes, we can.
Like
Means
I
let's,
just
yes,
like
we
I would
will complete it. I will do it by the identity as well.
okay.
Yes, we can. Now here we have the same kinds. We have x square values, and here we have, sorry, y square values, and we have y values. Guys, please just give me 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, so now we have y cube. It will be -4y square minus y square, same sign. So add the values. 4 plus 1, it will be 5y square, and put the sign of the bigger one, that is minus. Now 4y plus 4y, that would be 8y minus 4. Now you're talking about the identity. So yes, we can use the identity here. The identity is the first term square means y square minus 2ab plus b square. So you will get the value directly, y square minus 4y plus 4. You will reach the fourth step. So Zimel, you can do it by this way as well.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, everyone. Any question till here?
Nope, sir.
These are the expansion you already done, okay? Just we are going to be do the question in which that is going to be a little bit lengthy, and that's it. We are just doing the expansion today. All right, everyone. Yes, Mustafa, please do the question number 1. Ishal, do the question number 2, and Zimel, do the question number 3, and send me the picture on the WhatsApp. Do it faster.
Okay.
Mustafa, Ishal, and Zimel. Yes, Ishal, is it possible for you to send the picture?
Yes.
All right, that's nice. Expansion and factorization is just a one-day topic. Today we are just going to be do the expansion, and tomorrow we'll do the factorization, and that's it. Because this is a recall, so that's why we are just spending a single one class on it. Okay. If still anyone that feels that you are going to be weak in expansion, or you are going to be weak in factorization, and you need more classes, so you have to be let me know on the WhatsApp. Okay. Otherwise, technically, we just take a single class on it. Yes, if anyone done the question, please send the picture. All right, so I received the pictures.
Wait, sir, I did
All right,
something wrong. I'm just gonna
no
correct.
problem.
I'm gonna correct it. One
All
second.
right, correct them. We are here to learn, so do the wrong questions, so I will correct it. Okay, 5x square minus 15, 3x square minus 78x, 5 plus 3, it will be 8x square, 24x as it is, minus 15 as it is. All right. Okay, now you have 4y square minus 2y square into y minus 2y square. Minus 10 minus is plus 2 times 8 is 16. So minus 2y square plus 16. So 4 minus 2, that will be 4. Yeah, that's correct. We just have to do a small sign mistake, right? All right, everyone. I'm going to be give you a little bit harder one. Yes, Zimil, you are sending?
Sir, wait, I know something is wrong. I just don't know what it is. Can you just correct it for me?
Yes, yes, I will correct it. That's why I'm here. All right, so you have to do each and everything is correct. Plus you have minus, multiply minus, it would be plus. All right. When you are multiplying minus sign with the minus sign, the answer will be
Okay, okay.
positive.
Right, okay. Thank you.
The rest of each and everything is going to be correct. All right, everyone, try this one. Otherwise, I will do. Okay. I'm just explaining you the question, what you have to actually do here. You just have to be expand the. Okay, 1 second. Before this one, I just give you a some easier question. Then you have to go for this one, in which we are simplifying the three brackets. Yes, all of you do this question. It's a simple expansion, but here you have three brackets, okay? So it's up to you which two you are multiplying first. Okay, just 1 minute. I'm just going to be give you, you have 2 minus x into 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. You have to multiply these two first. Mustafa, do this one. Ishal, you have to do it by this way. You have 2 multiplied by x into 3x plus 1 into x plus 1. You have to multiply these two brackets first and then multiply with the answer. And Zimel, you have 2 minus x into x plus 1 multiplied by 3x plus 1. You have to multiply the first two brackets first. Yes, please do this one.
Okay, sir.
Mustafa, Ishal, and Zimel. Yes, anyone done the questions?
Yes, sir. I sent it to you.
All right, I'll check. Yes, I saved two pictures. Mustafa and thank you picture I will take from Shal. Okay. All right, so for the first one we have 3x minus 2 minus 3x here minus x, okay? You will simplify them, it will be 5 minus 3x minus 3x cube minus 2x plus 7 plus 2. Yeah, that's correct. You will multiply the two brackets. You will get this answer. Ishal, how this value will become positive? Because here you write that it is negative 3x cube. How it will become positive 3x cube?
Oh, I didn't realize. My bad.
Problem. Yes, Simil, have you done it?
No, sir, I'm redoing it. I did something wrong again.
All right, no problem, do it. Ishal, when you are going to be appear for exam?
As in a P1.
Yes, overall.
For
Or
P1, I'm
yes,
most likely to do it in January.
and P2 and
P2 and
uh,
P3 together in normal time, like June.
not P2 and P3. You need to be do P2 and you have to be do with S1 or M1.
Oh, yes, S1, yeah.
All right, all right. And if there is any issue, I can do the question. Yes, Simil, you're doing?
Sir, I sent the picture.
Okay. I did not see it.
Did you receive it? No?
No. From your side, it is sent?
Yes, sir. It shows one TikTok.
Yes, now I see it. Yes, now I see it. All right, so Now you have to multiply the brackets first. It will be 2x minus x. That's okay. Into what you have done here. Okay, you have to simplify them. Okay. So x 3x square minus x will be 3x square plus x minus 3x cubed plus 3. All right. All right, that's good. All right, now we have to talk about this one. Yes, everyone, you want to try this one? Anyone?
Sir, I will try.
All right, all of you, you have 3 to 4 minutes only. Then I will do this question. I'm just going to tell you the first step. First of all, you have to be expand the left side, okay? Same like you have to multiply the two brackets and then you will get the answer. You will multiply with the third bracket, all right? And after that, at the last, to find the value of a, b, c, we need to do the comparison. We'll compare the value of x cube. We will compare the value of x square y. We will compare the value of y square, xy square. We will compare the value of y cube. First expand it and then tell me what you will get. Don't send the picture, just expand it and tell me what you will get here.
Sir, I sent it to you.
All right. All right, you have expand the values. Yes, you have expand correctly. Now do the comparison. Yes, Shazimul, you are doing,
Yes,
or
sir.
I will do. Okay. Yes, Ishal, what about you?
I'm also doing it.
Okay.
So I'm sending the photo, but I think I made a mistake somewhere.
All right, no problem. Send the picture. I will find out the mistake. We are doing the question in the class, so I'm here to find out the mistake and correct it. And obviously, when I will do the mistake, so you have to find it. Yes, send the picture. All right, I received the picture.
Also, the last step I wrote, I didn't finish it. I left it by accident.
All right, no problem. I'll check. 3x plus y is equal to this one. How 6x square will become 3x square? You have to subtract the 3x square with the 3y square. Both are different kinds. You cannot subtract them. Here you have done the mistake.
Okay, so
It is clear?
thank you. Yes.
It will be 6x square minus 7xy and minus 3y square. So obviously when you will multiply them with this value, 6x square minus 7xy plus minus 3y square, you are definitely get the right answer. Okay.
Sir, I sent you mine, but I forgot to add. I mean, yeah, add or minus whatever. -9 plus 2, but everything other than that is right. I was just double checking.
All right, no problem. Okay, so we have oh, you did not simplify them and you have to open the bracket.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. That's what I was saying. That's the only thing I missed, but
Okay.
it's right. It's just longer now.
Yeah. You did not follow the board method, otherwise it is correct. Okay. Now everyone, you are going to be get that. You will get that 6x cube minus 19x square y plus 11xy square plus 6y cube would be equal to, that is given ax cube plus bx square y cxy square plus obviously dy square dy cube side. Okay, now here we are going to do the comparison because the question is we need to be find the value of a, b, and c. If we are going to be comparing the coefficient of x cube, I'm going to be get that a is equal to 6. If I'm going to be making a comparison between the x square y, all right, if I'm going to be making a comparison here, so I'm going to be get that b is equal to minus 19. If I'm going to make a comparison between the coefficient of xy square, so I'm going to be get that c is equal to 11. And in the last step, if I'm going to make a comparison between the y cube with the y cube, so I'm going to be get that d is equal to 6. Yes, everyone. Any question? So this is how you are going to be get the value of a, b, c, and d. Yes, everyone. Any question till here about the expansion?
No, sir.
All right, I'm going to be sending you the worksheet in which you have the question of the factorization as well as the expansion.